Yo, sup, dudes? Sup? Let's get some music going. Lights, camera, action. Simple. What's up, brother? Who got that 20 buy, dude? Oh, man. Had a great pre-market session with Trump's speech yesterday. Got a good move. Sup, morning, dudes? GTX, Bella, Save, Neve, Paul, Land, Terry, everyone, good morning. Oliver. Looking at maybe an 80 short off open, like 83. Kind of a confluence between cross section and previous, like base of the H. Gonna put a limit order there. Would be so nice to hit that Casio and just be done. Yes, sir, Maze. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dude, I was so bummed because yesterday's morning session was epic and I wanted to talk about it. Whoa. Instant stop out. Maybe I shouldn't have put a blind limit order, huh? Oof. Back to back. I still like it though. Nah, gotta wait. Gotta wait. Luckily, we're playing with some buffer. Why do I still like this? Have to wait on 20. Let's wait on 20. No, I don't, Maze. I don't. I was just thinking it was a good attempt at it because it was like cross section, bottom of the base, but not a good blind. There's 20. I don't want to give this a little more room. Okay, you got to win off 20. Got to win off 20. Slight mistakes in the morning. Oh man, 20 gave the full rotation, gave the full 40. Mistakes in the morning, just putting that blind limit. I wanted to give it a try, and then I give it two more shots, but down 15 total. Man, 20 gave a good rotation. Might try an 80 short again, or maybe we just wait the first 15 minutes. Wow. Yeah, 20 short played. So, like a quick lesson here, I guess if you run through one level, so you run through one level, you adjust to the second one. You base the reaction off the second one. I could have held that short. I should have held that short. Just because of how aggressive this candle was. Do I want to take another short here? I'm gonna try it. We had 5. I didn't take the 5, obviously. I still like it, dude. I'm okay risking my overnight profit. I want to see this rejection. And then maybe push red to green. Yeah, like that. Boom. Exactly what I wanted to see. There's that red to green, green to red flip. Seller stepped right back onto the gas when they retested this previous area. That was the original idea. Bella, good morning, girl. Japan. Oh yeah. Hey, good morning. D-Bigs. Yeah, boom. There we go. There's that full rotation from 20 down. Green to red flip. I was okay taking the 15 original, but for sure I could have held that. As soon as we rejected like this previous area, the previous base of the H, so you go to 20, rejection off 20, right? You push down to 60, then you went back to 80. Seller stepped back on the gas. You have previous cross section here. I mean, it was a perfect short. I could have held that for sure. On stream, it's tough to hold trades though. Getting up on 20. We'll see if it's like a cap kill move. I don't really like fading this type of staircase move into it. What do I look for during rejections? Kind of exactly what we saw here. So you drop 80, right? You go back into a point of interest. You reject the point of interest. And that's what you want to see. They have, I don't know, but they have Ninja Traders, the same thing. I got my Casio Friday shirt on, dudes. It's Casio Thursday. Is it correct for Fantasy Futures the total cap per account is 10K as the cap per account? Yeah, that's correct, BG. If you take an account all the way up to 4 payouts, then you'll get 10K out. Why I like that one? Just, you have to take the whole picture into account. So you have a big H, right? You have a big H playing out. You retested this base, right? So you have to take into account, like, this is like the base, right? So you have the base of the H. Imagine, wish I could draw on this. Can I draw? Brush, rotate, screenshot. Well, anyway, from here to here, right? That's your base. That's where you know, a lot of participation happened. So you went back, you retested the base, you did it once, you rejected like crazy. Right off 20. This was a 6 short. Also a retest of this cross. Then you come back into it, you do the same thing, essentially. Go back into 20, you go back into the base of the H, you reject. Okay, great. We got that trade. We took that trade. Then you go back down, you drop through 80. That's your New York Open, right? You drop through 80, you push back up. Where do you have participation? You have participation here. So boom, you had participation here. You have your previous cross, you have your level, and then you know, you judge the reaction based off that. Okay, we're gonna drop to 80. Holy shit. Might take the 80 long. How long do I trade for? Depends. I don't know. Sometimes it's an hour, sometimes it's 30 minutes. When it's Casio Friday, in this case Thursday, we get our win, we get the frick out of here. Okay, let's see. Looking at like maybe 77. I want to see it drop to 77 or so. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Boom. There we go. That's your Casio, boys. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Boom. $1,500. Let's go. Let's go. In front of 100 and oh shit, sorry. Trader, so it's all Confluence. So you take, I grab the mic like this, and there's a so you take the level and you take the structured setup and you combine them together, and that's what gives you your A plus setup, right? That's what does it. So for here, you know, you had 80, you had a fork low, right? You're retesting the fork low, you're at 80. I take that all day. It's all about Confluence. Same thing here with 20. Why didn't I take 20, 20 shorts? Well, what's the setup here? What's the confluence between 20 shorts? Even though it's gonna freaking work out. Like what's the setup? So you have 20, and then what else? Is there a cross section here? No. Is there, I guess you can argue that there's like an H setup and you're retesting kind of the base. I don't know. 33 cross. I don't see the cross. Maybe I missed it. Maybe it's on 200. Oh, dude. Fuck yeah, dude. Yeah. Exactly. Let's go, PDF gang. Look at that freaking cross-section short, dude. This is why, guys. This is freaking why you can fish for yourselves. This is why. Some guy asked me yesterday, dude, why is there a delay in your stream for like 3 seconds? We can't copy your trades. Cause then you don't have this, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Good job, boys. Hell yeah. So stoked. This weekend, guys, we're gonna release the full shebang. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Can't freaking wait. With 2 XFAs, 10K profit. Let's go, Nor. I'm so stoked, man. I'm so stoked. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like for Casio Thursday. Let's see. What was the Primo setup today? Primo setup, best setup. Oh, update for guys, PDF guys. So with your Discord access, you also get probably the freaking sickest journal you'll ever see in your life. One of my best friends, Johnny, he's smartest guy in the world. I mean, seriously, the dude is smart as fuck. He had a product that he made, and he integrated it into the upcoming portal. So every time you take a setup, like a great setup, I want you guys to write it down, journal it, and you just get progressively better. Tell us more about Discord. So here's what Discord's gonna be, guys. It's gonna be the 80-20 gang, and there'll be everyone who enters is gonna get into the apprentice circle. So what that means is that's where I will be. I will be with you guys in there, and as you make progress, money, you advance in the system, you get upgraded to floor trader, and then the floor traders get a different room. So it's a progressive system. So we have guys, let's see. Obviously, this Discord has been around for a long time. I'm just finally inviting people into it. Shit. How do I members? No. So there's different. So there's professional floor traders, so which made $25,000 a month, up and comer $10,000 a month, floor traders who just got a payout, apprentices who haven't gotten a payout. These dudes made $100,000 in a month. It's gonna be freaking sick, guys. I can't wait. I can't wait. Pair at 46. What a squeezer. Looking at possible short entry. Kind of a squeeze. Gonna take that off there. I didn't like the instant reaction off 80. Like it dropped 80 and then instant reaction off it. Not a fan of that. I think it might give the full rotation down though. This is our magnet right here. This repair. I think it's gonna get the full rotation. Yeah, gave it. Gave the full Casio. Sinful. My man. Reason I initially wanted to take that short was 80, and then we didn't run this previous high before we started pushing back down. I think we're gonna get the full rotation. Remember, guys, tomorrow the market is closed. I got too trigger happy on my exit. As soon as I saw like it dropped 80 and then instantly like went back, it kind of spooked me out a little bit out of that trade. Can you trade a level twice? First time's always the best. Especially when it comes to repairs. Like structurally setups, like setups built on structure and not level, you should only trade them once. Oh, good to see you, bro. Like once this repair hits, you're not gonna trade the same level twice. Why, when, and why did you start trading? I explained it in my interview. It's just it ended up being the best for me. 15 was too slow, and then so I started trading 10-minute, and faster time frame is 200 seconds. So the 3-time spanner Mohib. Angel, good to see you, bro. How do we get the PDF? 8020prop.com. I don't understand why with Fantasy Futures you must make $5,000 profit in order to request 2.5k. I thought it's it. I mean, it is. It is nice. That's just their. So it's just like Top Step, I guess. But their buffer requirements, you have to make 5,000. Or no, 4,500. Take half. Which, I mean, dude, you're getting a killer freaking deal. It's still, so you make, it's like over 13 or 14x. Damn, C7. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. I'm still looking at this repair, guys. I think we possibly run 20 highs to maybe 33. Look, there's a lot to clean up to the upside. Like double wick highs, double wick highs, double wick highs. So keep this repair in mind right here. Definitely keep this repair in mind. That's going to be ultimately, I mean, if you're short and you want a big move, this is going to be your magnet to get out of the position. It's closer to 72%, Bob. Or, I mean, that's what some accounts show. And then, so if the repair is not taken, the same major interest above will be to rebuild, or that might never get. So if the repair is not taken, Munib, I see what you're saying. Basically, you're using repairs as as a either an entry on a sharp move down or up. You're judging the reaction based on the repair, and then you're entering, you're entering your position, or you're using it. In this case, what I would be using this repair as is getting into a position, mapping out the larger move. So really I should be on the 10, mapping out the larger move, getting into a position, adding into the runner, and then having the runner, taking your 15 or whatever, and having your runner go for the full repair. How do I decide? Usually I'm on the 200 for the most part. In the morning session I'm on the 10. $7.46. Yeah, I know. I saw. We talked about it. Go back on the stream for my thoughts on that. Yeah, as long as you don't ask the same question a bunch of times, Wahib. You're more than welcome. You are more than welcome, my friend. You got it, brother. What do we have? We have 6 minutes until a new hourly open. Nice move to 860. We have double wick highs at 880. I'm gonna wait on that. If I want to take a short, it'll probably be off of like maybe 87. I want to see the reaction at 80. So we have double wick highs there. Will you take? So Angel, it's all about combining Confluence and levels for that big, for the big I would just judge it based on the reaction. To me, I think what can happen is if you want to long this repair, I would long it off of like 733. Like based on this reaction at 733, that's what I would potentially long. Hey, what's up, Guarani? You take a 10-minute, Shay, you take a 10-minute, right? Take a 10-minute chart. So, guys, what do you guys usually trade? They trade a 15 and a 5, right? 5 is a third of a 15. You take a 10. What's a third of a 10? 200 seconds. There's no rocket science there. Futures Farmer, what's up, brother? Good to see you, bro. I don't place my trades right at 80 or 20. You saw it this morning, right? What a limit right at the level does. You have to also wait for the reaction. You can't just blindly. That's what I think a lot of people mistake themselves with, is the level is the point of interest along with the structure, but you have to wait on the reaction, right? And if you want to see why you don't just set limits there, double repair. I think this one gets taken though. This one isn't going to get left behind. If you want to see what just putting a limit does, rewind my stream and you'll see exactly. I got stopped out within a second. What's up, NQ Sniper? I'm struggling to judge reactions at the level one candles for me. It just comes with time, trader. It just comes with time. Like here, you have a cross section entry long with 20, right? Do you take it? You have to wait for the reaction, right? So you wait for the drop through to 20 to 17 or whatever. Then you start seeing, it's starting to slow down. You have an instant pop. Okay, cool. That's when you can make the judgment call to enter or not. So there's the repair, repaired instantly. Yeah, BG, but that's what that's what time in the session, time in the markets does. Get to kind of react. Coming up on these double wick highs. Strong move. Gonna try it. I think we get stopped here. Or I get stopped. Yeah, stopped out. It was a good shot at it. Hard to judge based on. Plus we have new candle. Ah, damn it. Just barely, right? This is risky. This is a risky short. I kind of want to move back into 80 and possibly repair. Nah. I'm giving myself one more try at this short, and then if not, that'll be it. I should have waited for that next 10-minute open. Maybe off 20. Okay, hold on. This might be the primo. Come on, baby. Fill me out. Fill me out. There we go. Let's go. Cross section entry short. You had the cross here. 20. Combine both. Took 2 contracts on that one. A+ setup. These were B's, right? Took 1 on these. Down 20 and then made 30 on the cross section entry short. Casios, yes sir. You get a Casio. You get a Casio. Hell yeah, dude. Get some diamond Casios in here. Stacking up Casios to get a freaking Rolex. Yes sir. Nice, Crispy. Did you take it? Tony, good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Congrats on your 5K payout, my friend. Crispy, that's what I love to hear. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it for me. I'm going to head to the beach. Enjoy your beautiful, beautiful 3-day weekend. I hope you guys have a great Friday, Saturday, Sunday. don't blow up tomorrow on a freaking before the 3-day. PDF guys, you will have a surprise. I'll be sending out a WAP message to everyone. New portal, free. It's gonna be freaking badass, dude. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace, 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 peace.